Hey, are you okay?
I don't know.
What happened?
I feel stuck.
Stuck? Why?
I want to change. But I never start.
Start what?
My dreams, my goals, my life.
That sounds serious.
It is.
So, what stops you?
I always say, tomorrow.
Ah, the tomorrow trap.
Yes, always tomorrow.
And tomorrow never comes.
Exactly.
Can I ask something?
Sure.
What do you want?
I want to speak English well.
Good goal.
I want a better job.
Nice.
I want confidence.
Even better. So, what did you do today?
Nothing.
Yesterday?
Nothing.
Last week?
Still nothing.
Then, nothing will change.
I know, it hurts.
Let me tell you something.
Okay.
You don't need motivation.
Really?
You need action.
Action?
Small action. Every day.
But I feel afraid.
Of what?
Failure.
Let me ask you. Is doing nothing better?
No.
Then failure is better. Start small.
How small?
Very small. One sentence. One word. 1 minute.
That's easy.
Exactly. Easy to start. Hard to stop.
I like that.
Let's try now.
Now.
Yes, now.
I'm not ready.
You don't need to be. Say this. I start today.
I start today.
Again.
I start today.
Louder.
I start today.
Good.
I feel different.
That's the power.
It feels real.
Because you started.
Just one sentence?
Yes. Big change starts small.
I never thought that. Can I tell you something?
Sure.
I watched many videos. I read many books. But I never acted.
That's common.
But today feels different.
Why?
Because I started.
Remember this. You don't need perfect. You need progress.
Progress, not perfect.
Yes. And when do you start?
Today,
Not tomorrow?
not tomorrow.
When?
Today. Today is my day.
And tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I continue.
Welcome to English Listening Lab, your channel to test, practice, and improve your listening skill.